Hey YouTube, it's your boy Ty, man. Man, you don't want to go nowhere. In this video, you about to see live results. Yeah, that's right, live results from people that's actually trading, using the bot as well. And then I'm also going to show you more phases that we have passed this week. So make sure you stay tuned. Sorry that I haven't been dropping, but as you can see right there, I've been in my truck and just now got home. So don't go nowhere, man. You're going to want to see this. Let's go. Get funded today. Alright, hey YouTube, so make sure that y'all like and subscribe to the channel. This is just going to be an update. I'm going to start out with some funded phases that we're doing right now for the account management, just as I promised in the intro. So we about to just dive straight into it, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. Stay up to date with what's going on. I need those subscribers, so make sure y'all hit that button for me. So let's jump straight into it. So right now, as y'all about to see, I'm about to go ahead and hit a funded one right now, which is going to be the one ending in 7806. So I went ahead and hit that one. And as you can see today, it's up already $600, and this is a funded account. About to go to another one. Drawdown is only $300. But as you can see on this one, this one's a bigger account. It's a 500K account. But it's up 24.21, y'all. All automated. Here's another funded one right here. It's up $510 for the day. And here's one more. It's already up $1,400 for the day, y'all. As you can see, man, straight blues. Everybody doing their own little thing. So that's why you see some people have losing trades, some people have winning trades, but we basically deploy the trades to your account. And then as far as whenever you want to close it, or if you want to wait for it to hit take profit or stop loss, that's completely up to you. So let's go into these phases, man. Show y'all some of these phases that we completed this week. 200K account, as you know, the 200K account, this is a phase 2. So yeah, it only needed 10K to pass that. That one's already done and out the door. And all these is new names and stuff. So if you watch my previous video, you will see all these are new accounts that got passed. 500K account, phase 2 complete. Phase 1, 500K account is not done yet. This one's still in the works. All right, here's another phase 1. It's up 17K. And this one needed 16K to pass. So that one's done, out the door. Here's another phase 2 account. 50K account is already $3,000 in profit. And here's a phase 1. We haven't started on this one yet. Yeah, we haven't started on this one yet. So yeah, just to stay up to date with what's going on, make sure that y'all like and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you join the Telegram link too. I'm going to put the link to the Telegram. You can join, see other people winning as well. Because I have way more clients than what I even showed. So make sure that y'all join. And this was just a quick update. And I'm going to update y'all again over the weekend to show y'all those live accounts once we get out of the trades that we in. Peace.